Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversations. I am A, and I am so happy you are here today.
Hi everyone. I am B. Today we have a very practical lesson for you. We are going in depth into a common everyday situation.
That is right, B. Today's topic is shopping for clothes. This is a CEFR A1 level lesson, which means it is designed for beginners.
Yes, but even if you are at a higher level, this is a great review of useful phrases. We will focus on how to ask about colors, how to request different sizes, how to ask for prices, and how to pay at the counter.
Shopping can be stressful in another language, but with these simple phrases, you will feel confident.
We will present a friendly step-by-step dialogue. We want you to listen carefully and practice speaking along with us.
So, let's get started with our first section where B enters the clothing store and starts browsing. Hello. Good morning. Welcome to Fashion Spot. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I am doing well, thank you. I'm just looking around.
That is wonderful. We have a lot of new arrivals today. Please let me know if you need any help.
Thank you. Actually, I am looking for a nice sweater. The weather is getting cold.
Yes, it is very chilly outside today. We have some beautiful new sweaters right here on this rack.
Oh yes. These look very soft. What material are they made of?
They are made of soft cotton. They are very comfortable and easy to wash.
That sounds great. I like the style of this one. It has a nice collar.
Yes, that is our classic crewneck sweater. It is very popular this season.
I see. Do you have this sweater in other colors? I only see white and yellow here.
Yes, we do. We also have it in blue, red, dark green, and black.
Oh, I really like blue. Blue is my favorite color. Do you have the blue one on display?
Let me check. The blue ones are on the shelf just behind you.
Oh, I see them now. Thank you. This blue color is beautiful.
It really is. It is a very lovely shade of navy blue.
Yes, it is. I want to try it on. Where are the changing rooms?
The changing rooms are at the back of the store, next to the large mirror.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Let me know if you need a different size.
I will. Thanks again.
Hi again. Did you try on the blue sweater? How does it look?
Yes, I tried it on. I like the color, but it is too big for me.
Oh, what size did you try?
I tried the large size.
I see. Do you have this in a medium size?
Let me check the shelf. We have small and medium here. Yes, here is the medium size in navy blue.
Great. I will try on the medium.
Sure. Let me know if it fits you better.
Okay, I will be right back.
How is the medium size?
The medium size is much better, but it is still a little loose around the waist. Do you have this in a small size?
Yes, we do. Let me grab the small size for you. Here it is.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
It is my pleasure. We want to make sure you get the perfect fit.
Let me try this one. Oh yes. The small size fits me perfectly. It is not too tight and not too loose.
That looks very nice on you. The navy blue color matches your eyes.
Thank you. I really like it. But now I am thinking about the dark green one too. Do you have the dark green sweater in small?
Let me look. Yes, here is the dark green one in small.
Oh, this color is also very pretty. Can I try this one on too?
Of course. Take your time.
Okay, I will try it on. The green is nice, but I think the navy blue looks better on me.
I agree. The blue is very bright and suits you well.
Yes, I will buy the navy blue sweater.
Excellent decision. Let's go to the cash counter to finish up.
Welcome to the counter. Are you ready to purchase the navy blue sweater today?
Yes, I am. Just this sweater, please.
Great. Let me scan the tag.
How much is it?
The price is $45.
Okay. Is it on sale?
Actually, yes. We have a special promotion today. All sweaters are 15% off.
Wow, that is fantastic. So, how much is the discount?
The discount is $6.75.
Oh, thank you. That is a very nice surprise.
Yes, it is. So the new total price is $38.25.
Perfect. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards, mobile payments, and cash.
I will pay with my credit card, please.
Sure. Please tap your credit card on the payment machine here.
Okay, I will tap it now. Did it work?
Yes, it did. The transaction is approved.
Great. Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt, and here is your sweater in a bag.
Thank you very much for all your help today. You made it very easy.
You are welcome. It was a pleasure helping you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. That was a very natural and simple shopping dialogue. Now, let's review the key phrases we used today.
Yes, this is the most important part of the lesson. First, we learned how to ask for a specific size. You can say, "Do you have this in a medium size?" Or, "Do you have this in a small size?"
That is right, B. Next, we learned how to ask for other colors. You can say, "Do you have this sweater in other colors?"
And to find the changing rooms, you can ask, "Where are the changing rooms?"
When you are ready to pay, you ask for the price. How much is it?
And to ask about the payment method, you say, "Do you take credit cards?" Or, "Can I pay by card?"
These phrases are very useful for beginners. Practice them aloud so you can remember them.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to Daily English Conversations.
Yes, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up.
Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.